The next stop on our Dutch adventure? The enchanting city of Delft. And no, we didn't start with the grand square or majestic buildings. We started with something far more royal, a duck family on the canal. Seriously, it was currently overload. National Geographic, give us a call. We passed a storefront that looked like a time capsule. Behind the glass, mannequins stood proudly in traditional Dutch clothing, as if waiting for their carriage to the royal ball. It wasn't just a shop. It felt like we were peeking through a window into the 17th century. Wandering through the old town, we admired the canals and noticed something odd. Some doors literally open right into the water. Imagine being late for work, stepping outside and splash, instant morning swim. That's the Delft lifestyle, baby. Of course, we made into the main square, because what's a visit without the iconic spot? There we found shops full of beautiful blue and white pottery. That's Delftware, a signature ceramic style from the Royal Delft factory, which has been crafting these pieces since 1653. Inspired by Chinese porcelain, this pottery is hand-painted and has been part of Dutch heritage of centuries. It's not just a plate, it's art you can eat off. Naturally, we goofed around. How could we not? The bridges, the cobbled street, the fairytale houses. It's like being dropped into a storybook with perfect lighting. Oh, and we ran into a brightly painted cow sculpture, just chilling there. Why? It's a part of Cow Parade, an international art project. The artists paint life-size cows in wild, creative designs. And then a windmill, because what's Holland without one? These iconic giants once pumped water, ground grain, and now they mainly just photobomb tourists, but still majestic. And hey, if you think Delft was a fairy tale, just wait till you see what's coming next. More canals, more windmills, and maybe even more random cows. Who knows what the Dutch magic will bring? So don't miss the next episodes of our Holland adventure. They're coming soon, and trust me, you want a front row seat. Oh, and if you missed the early part of the trip, check out the links in the comments below. It's all there, waiting for you like a strooply waffle on a sunny terrace. See you in the next one.